What's up, everyone? This is Flux Hobby, BYC. Number 26. Let me see. I don't know if we have any more Flux after this. Oh, we do. Oh, we do.
We do. We are dandy. I like Flux.
We can, we're definitely doing 27, and then I can add, we have one more case after this. Lakers, Court Kings, to unknown. Prism Choice needs like 5 more off for next no matter what. Prism Choice needs 5 more teams off for next no matter what. Music's Brother's good. Champion's good. Music's good. Mango's good. Sublime's good. Harry's good. Tim is good. A 3-boxer, like $15. Virginia's good. Skip is good. Husker's good. I think we're just waiting on Fabio. He's probably good. Full case random team. I do if we line the full case random team, I do $50 just for the collectors. I do $50 random team. That's a steal. Deal a steal. Who wants it for $50? 2, 3, 4, 6. Who wants a $50 full case random team break? How crazy would that be? The Sharps are coming in. Let's line it next. 6. $50. $50. Flux random team. It's being lined next. We'll still do 27, but we'll line a full case Flux for $50. Full case $50 random. $50. Even small wallet can afford it. $50. That's it. Check your account. Did you get stuff before I killed it? Random team. Oh. Meathead, did I miss it? I did. Can I give you credit, Meathead, and I'll round out? How did I miss it? Did you get it before I killed it? Right before I killed it. Here, I'll give you an extra 20. If something massive comes out, I'll take care of you. If something massive comes out with those spots. Here, I'll give you credit. I'll add an extra 20 or an extra like 16. Anything massive, I'll take care of you. We're lining a full case Flux next. For 50, or it's 50 if it's a random team. If it's a random color, Cam Johnson blue. Carter on the Titan base. Ooh, fluid gold of Trey for music.
Ooh, wow.
Nice piece for music. 3 of 10. Hope on the red. Nice sunrise for the Ticks. Jason Tatum. First auto is redemption. It's AJ Griffin. Hawks. Music gets it on the random. It's a base auto. Booker red. Levert to 49. Incoming silver of Matherin. Who's waiting for the line in a full case? Bamba silver. Nice Jalen with an E, rookie silver. Music's a hitter. He hits. He's a hitter. Red of Mobley. Mo Bamba looks like it's the 25. Jaylen Brown. All right, guess the last auto of the break for 16. Matherin red. Pacers. Fabio. Cade on the blue. For the blue. Lofted. Bobby Portis. To 75. Jabari Klein. Christian Wood, Dallas. Skip gets it. Jovic, rookie silver. Next auto. Nice. Jalen with an E for the Thunder. Harry.
Harrison.
Harry's a hitter? Sharp, rookie silver. Harry is a hitter?
Is he?
Brooke Lopez to 75, Supernova. Mobley silver. We have one more of these in the store. Kevon Harris blue. Jabari rookie Titan. One more of these. It's going tonight. We're lining a random team full case. Lining a random team full case in this next for only $49.99.
Full case channel.
Nice Sohan is at the 25. It is. Lunar Eclipse. There you go. Mickey's. Marcus Smart red. Fluid silver of Iverson. Bogdan red. No, I can't afford 2 for 95. Bones blue. It's just sounded like a good number. Miles Turner. Or should we just do Davis? Should we just do 2 for 95 for the collectors? Who thinks we should do it? Should we do 2 for 95 in a full case. Friday night special. Jabari silver. Freddie Van Fleet. Supernova to 75. There's a nice base auto for the Lakers. Harrison T. Reeves auto. Craziness for Harrison T. He's hitting like 3 autos and 2 breaks, and they're like good autos. There you go, Harry. Harry's a hitter. He hits. Fine, I'll do 50 per 2 for 95. I'll do it for everyone since we're making it fly. 12-box case. It's a 12-box case. You're never going to find a full case of a product that flies.